we will discuss about how to generate G codes and M codes for CNC milling programming. We can say post processing. It is one of the most important thing that how to do post processes for your available controls. Somebody is having Fanuc control or head and aim or ceramic control. According to your control means your machine controls, we have to create post processing. Then we can edit the post processing as per your machine requirement. In this case also we have to do model, we have to create programs. Then I am explaining how to do post processing and editing the program for your machine controls. Create one model or workpiece. My workpiece is having the width of 60 mm and 100 mm length. This workpiece I am creating one rectangular packet. The packet width is 40 mm and the length is 60 mm. I am going to make one fillet radius, the value of 5. Means then I will extrude that workpiece. The height should be 20 mm. Then I will cut packet of 5 mm depth. Subtract minus 5 mm depth. This is my workpiece. My workpiece is 100 mm length, 60 mm width, 20 mm thickness. In this workpiece, I am created one packet, the length of 60 mm and width of 40 mm and thickness is 5 mm. Means the height of the packet is 5 mm. So not necessary, so that I will hide this sketch commands. We will go for manufacturing, go to application mode, take it manufacturing, cam general and go to mill contour. We will go for geometric view. MCS mill appear, machine coordinate system mill. We have to edit it and specify MCS. This specify, you can specify here or here or here or here, but normally we will put center or left side. I am going to put this one. Okay, then clearance options. It is we should give save clearance, means the cutter will come 10 mm above the workpiece. It is very important. We have to say 10, 15, 20 mm plus. It's very useful to create programs in post processing for CNC milling. If you are putting 0, it will come and touch the surface of the workpiece material. So we have to give save clearance. I am explaining each and every step for creating CNC milling program only. Second one is workpiece. First we have to specify the part. This is my part. Then we have to specify the blank. We have to go for rounding blanks. Then I am not going any extra material. So just I am putting. We can verify. This is my part and this is my blank. Okay. Then we will create operations. We will take it cavity mill. Here NC program we can make it program. Tool we have to select it. Geometry we already selected by workpiece method, and method also we have to go for finishing. So I will not give any allowances, directly I am going to finish. The main purpose of this video is how to create G code and M code for your control. We have to specify cut area. This packet is to be cut. We have to check it. You have to click. If it is not coming, you have to click. Now all surfaces has been selected. Second one, now we are going to take tool. We have to create tool. Take N mill. Okay. 10 mm N mill I am taking. The length of the N mill is 75 mm, which I am having 50 mm flute length. You can make it material. You can say this is high speed steel, HSS N mill cutters, or you can select here which cutter you want, which material you want. HSS, we are giving HSS, carbide, uncoated, carbide, uncoated, carbide, coated. You can select as per your requirements. Now I am taking high speed steel dia 10 mm N mill. Here we have to put tool number 1 because in that post processing the tool number is automatically created by using this number only. Then tool axis, this is plus ZM axis, means the cutter will come from vertical direction of positive. Method, we are giving so many methods: finishing or rough finishing, rough or semi finishing. We will go for finishing, and we have to edit, and we will check we have given any extra material or part step. We are giving no extra material or no allowance. Just default it is come 0. We have to put 0. Second, how to cut your methods. There are so many cut pattern available. We can go for follow path or follow periphery or profile or jig or zigzag. For explaining purpose, I am taking follow path, and the tool flat is 50, means after completion of one cut, how much distance it will traverse in crossways. You can say normally 50 or 60. That depth per cut constant, each and every time how much depth of cut you are going to give. I am going to give 1 mm. Next one is cut levels. Here you can see all readings are available. Range depth automatic, cut level constant, maximum distance means depth of cut you have given 1 mm. The range depth means the depth of cut. The total depth of the packet is 5 mm. It is measured from this top level. Depth of cut is 1 mm. You have cross checked. Okay. Then this is cutting parameters. Here you are having strategy or containment, more, up. This is cut direction, whether it is climb cut or conventional. Up milling, down milling, you already knowing that you can go for climb or conventional. Cut order, how to you are going to cut, whether you will cut level first or depth first. In this workpiece I am giving only one packet, so level and depth both are same. In this workpiece if you are giving two packets, you can go for whether level, means each and every time it will cut 1 mm 1 mm material. If you are selecting depth, it will first complete one depth, then it will go for another depth. But in this workpiece I am giving only one packet, so you can take it depth are level, both are same. The non-cutting moves, this is very important for creating post processor. It will increase or reducing your time in machining process. Engage. How we are going to engage the tool? Helical means the cutter will touch the workpiece by using helical method. In this ramp on shape, it will be coming slope and it will touch the material. It is in plunge, it is plunging directly into the material. So normally we will take helical or ramp. We will go for. Next, retract. How we are going to retract after completion of machining? How you will take back the tool? Means I am telling that how we are engaging the tool. The same way I am retracting the tool. Means the same after completion of machining, the tool will come back 10 mm or 15 mm or shape clearance. Already you decide 10 mm by using helical or ramp method. It will come back. The third one is feeds and feeds. It is very important. Surface speed. If you are using mild steel material and my cutter is high speed steel, the normal cutting speed will be 25 to 30 meter per minute. In this case, I am taking 30 meter per minute. We have to calculate feeds on this value. It automatically calculated and it is giving the reading of 0.13 feet per tooth. And the spindle speed is automatically calculated that 955 revolution per minute. The cutter should rotate. See, our workpiece material is mild steel. Our cutter material is high speed steel. In this case, I have taken 30 meter per minute and feet per tooth is 0.13. The RPM of the cutter is 955. It will increase or decrease the machining time. We have to carefully calculate. Second one is feed rate. Rapid. We have to go for more approach. How the cutter will approach. How we are engaging the cutter. How the first cut will coming. How to step over. You can increase for engaging. I have to give 150 and first cut maybe 200 and step over maybe 200 and the traverse or retract I can go for 500. Means after completion of work there is no need to come slowly, we have to go fast. Then we have to go for optimized feed rate. In this feed rate it will automatically calculated because of your surface feed and feed. It should come 15 nominal cut width and nominal cut depth is 6 mm. You can increase or decrease as per your requirement. Now the final step is create the or generate the programs. Now we have to verify the program by using 3D dynamics method and go for see each and every time it is taking 1 mm material. The cutter is coming and penetrating in the workpiece in center and it will give circular motions and we have given safe clearance 10 mm means first the cutter will come above the 10 mm. It is very important. If you are putting 50 again the time will increase in CNC program because 50 mm to 10 mm it has to travel and it will have another 10 to 15 seconds the machine will consume. So the machining time may be increased. So we have to take careful about each and every readings. we have to analyze it. Means 0.0 means there is no material, all material has been missing. Now we will come to the most important method of post processing. It is very, very important. Please, in this post process library, we are having n number of post processor available. Wire UDM 4 axis, MIL 3 axis, MIL 3 axis turbo, MIL 4 axis, MIL 5 axis, and lathe. Library having lot of post processor. We have to select or set post processor for your machine or for your milling control. The control may be Fanuc, Cinemeric, Heidenhain. You have to select anyone according to your machine. Here you can see Decal Mogo. See Cinemeric 840D. IN means inch. It will give output in inch. 840D underscore mm means it will give reading in metric. So by default I am taking this mill axis, then go to OK. This is where you want to put output file. That another the most important thing is that whether you are doing post processor in metric or inch. Normally we will go for metric. Then post already defined. The post already defined by reviewing tool. So we have to say OK. Here the post processor is converted CNC milling as a G code and M code programming. You might be knowing that G40 means cutter radius compensation nil or cancel. G17 plane XY plane and Z will be the tool plane. G90 absolute coordinate system. G71 metric. If it is in G70, it will go for inch systems. G91 incremental system. G28 machine reference. Z00. T0 means tool number 1. M06 automatic tool change. Here you are seeing that S955 means spindle will rotate 955 revolution per minute means RPM. M03 means spindle clockwise direction. Z10 G43 tool height compensation and Z10 10 mm above. Here height compensation you can make it 20 or 30 or 50. I am default 50. Now we can also edit. Then tool come 3 mm above the workpiece. From here it will start. Here M08 means coolant will be on. Now it is taking material. Finally you can see after completion of cut, this go back 10 mm. Now M02 spindle stop. You can also edit here, make it N2810 M30 means spindle off, coolant off, machine off, everything will be off by using M30. Then you can save it. You can say any one number as you like. 3333. It is shows that how to create or how to edit the programs. We can close it. Again, you can go for some other post processor. Say mill 3 axis. Or I will take it that Cinemeric 840T in MM mode. Everything is same. I have not changed anything. We can go for. Now here it shows it is slightly different than Fanuc programming. It will show start of program, part name is there, Your KM tolerance is there, reference X, Y, Z direction, G40, G17, G90, G60, G61 norms. So these are the many forms. It is in cinematic form. It giving lot of readings. Means you can change or you can edit. Now I am editing the program. Which one is you don't want? Means this startup programs not required, part name not required, date is not required, chem tolerance here is not required. Up to this one not required. So you can delete it. Here G40 is important. Here technology, mill finish, name, cutters, diameter, length, tool corner radius, in tolerance, out tolerance, stock, chem tolerance, the home position. It is for reference purpose. Again, it is not required. Operation is cavity mill. You know in that first tool mill. This not important. Here mill M06, M6 is important. Means automatic tool change holder. Mill finish. This may not be important. You can go for here. You can go initial move here. Up to this, no need. Here you can go for T1 or 1 required. This is required. This approach is not required. That engage. It is telling theoretically what the cinematic control is doing. Here, in this way, you can edit your programs. You can go for this one. Here, departure. There is no need. You can edit this one. And Z10 is important. And end of path is from here to here. Not important. End of program. Not important. It is giving theoretically. Now it is M30. Now it is over.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section.